Step into a world of wonder at magical little minds. Get ready for fantastic stories that will transport you to extraordinary places. Remember to spread the magic by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.
What does it mean to be an American? By Rana, DiOrio, and Elad, Yoran. Pictures by Nina Mata. What does it mean to be an American? Does it mean liking apple pie and fireworks? No. Does it mean living in the United States? Not exactly. Does it mean loving fast food? No. Being an American means believing that all people are equal and should have the opportunity to be happy, following our dreams, and working hard to achieve them, having the freedom to choose whom we love, what we believe, what we do, and where we live, and to change our minds if we want, knowing all Americans follow the same rules, honoring those who protect and serve us, cherishing our abundant natural resources, and enjoying time spent outdoors, being grateful all year for our many blessings, and leading by example to take action when people need help, welcoming people from other countries and helping them learn what it means to be an American, appreciating that our differences make us kinder, smarter, healthier, and stronger, using our imagination and creativity to invent new things, and our curiosity and courage to explore new frontiers, being proud of all we have accomplished and humble about all we still need to learn. Being American means having the right to become your best self and the obligation to help others to do so too. So fill your heart with love for who you are and your mind with ideas of how you, your family, and your friends can make the greatest nation in the world even better.
Thank you for joining us on this magical reading journey. If you're ready to continue the fun and learn even more, visit our Etsy shop for exciting educational printables. You can count on us to make learning numbers fun and easy with our popular animal jungle themed kids numbers flashcards. Let's keep the learning adventure going. Head over to our Etsy shop now and make learning numbers a colorful and engaging experience.